Welcome students. Today I am teaching you NCERT Class 6 Science Chapter 4 Sorting Material into Groups. Okay. Now its name only suggested that sorting materials. Now different type of objects which are laying around us. Okay. In that object a different type of material has been used for making this object. Okay, so we have to sort it out, we have to differentiate this materials, okay, from which the object has been used, the object has been made. Now before starting this chapter, let us understand a very fundamental difference between the two terms, that is object and material. Now what is object and material? Now material make the object, बट द ऑब्जेक्ट कैनॉट मेक द मटीरियल. ओके, जो ऑब्जेक्ट बनता है वो किससे बनता है? मटीरियल से, बट फ्रॉम ऑब्जेक्ट कैनॉट मेक मटीरियल्स. So now that's the basic differences. Now you have felt that we have used so many sentence, but what is the actual meaning of it? So when we talk about material, okay, anything that is used to make object is the material. Okay, for making object any type of material has been used, it is known as material. So it can be wood, plastic, or it can be glass. For example, this pen. Okay, I think it is visible. So see, this is pen. Now this pen is object. Okay, we can't call them material, it is not material. Okay, ये पेन मटीरियल नहीं है, ये क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, नाउ इसमें जो चीज़ें लगी हैं, ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल रबर, इंक, ओके, प्लास्टिक, सो दीज आर मटीरियल्स. ओके, ये एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, पेन इज़ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, but the things which is used for making this object is known as material. जो चीज़ें इस पेन को लगाने में इस पेन को बनाने में लगी हैं, okay, it is known as materials. Okay, one more example that we are taking sheets of glass. Okay, बहुत बड़े बड़े ग्लास आपने देखे होंगे. ओके, वो ग्लास क्या है? मटीरियल है, बट व्हेन इट इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू बीकर, ओके, सो बीकर इज़ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. जो बीकर होता है, जो ग्लास होता है, ओके, बीकर विच इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग इन which is mostly used in chemistry lab. Okay, this is that is beaker. ओके, सो वो बीकर जो है वो ग्लास से बनता है, डिफरेंट ग्लास. ओके, जो शीट्स ऑफ ग्लास होती हैं इट इज़ मटीरियल, और जो बीकर है इट इज़ नोन एज ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, नाउ फर्दर
Students, it is not necessary that only one material is used for making one objects. Okay, different type of material can be used for making objects, like this pen. Okay, in this pen there are three materials has been used for making this object. Okay, like for example plastic, rubber, then this ink. Okay, so three types of material has been used for making this objects. Now in this chapter the introduction part is objects around us. Okay, so we saw that our food and clothes have so much variety in them in previous chapter. Okay, in previous chapter, that is second and third, we have understood that there are different type of foods and clothes available in our country. Okay, not just food and clothes, there is such a vast variety of objects everywhere we see around us, like chair, bullock cart, cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. Okay, and in your surrounding, okay, नाउ जहाँ आप लोग बैठे हो अभी अपने घर में, अपने आसपास भी देखो तो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच यू कैन सी, ओके, लाइक बेड, टेबल, bedsheet, cloth, books, like mobile, earphone, pen, pencil, rubber, sharpener. Okay, these are different types of objects. All these objects have different shapes, color and uses. Okay, now different objects have different shapes. Like this pen, ये पेन की ये पेन की साइज़ अलग है, कलर अलग है. Okay, and so different type of pens are available around us. This is book, okay, and this is laptop. So different type of objects have different shape, colors and uses. Okay, जैसा object होता है वैसे ही उसके uses होते हैं, उसका color होता है, उसका shape होता है. Understood everyone? Like figure 4.1. See, this is figure 4.1. There is toy, glass, then gloves, phone, CD, then this lock, okay, hard drive, everything is there, okay, which is available in our house. So look around and identify objects that are round in shape. Now आपको identify करना है अपने आसपास that is there anything which is round in shape. Okay, so round in shape, our list may include a rubber ball, football, a glass marble. Now you are students, so आप लोग के पास इस टाइप के ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे लाइक रबर बॉल और फुटबॉल और अ ग्लास मार्बल. ग्लास मार्बल मीन्स वो छोटे छोटे जो मार्बल्स होते हैं ना, इट इज़ नोन एज ग्लास मार्बल. इफ़ वी इंक्लूड ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर नियरली राउंड, our list could also include objects like apple, oranges and earthen pitcher like घड़ा मीन्स जो अर्दन पिक्चर, ओके, घड़ा होता है जिसमें हम पानी भर के रखते हैं, ओके, जिसमें से हम पानी पीते हैं. वी कॉल देम घड़ा और मटका. ओके, इट इज़ नोन एज अर्दन पिक्चर. तो it is basically grouping up. The chapter's name already suggested that sorting material into groups. Now here it is talking about shape. When it has been given that when I'm saying that you have to identify objects that are round in shape, तो आप लोग के दिमाग में फटाक से आएगा that what is round in shape around us. So आप लोग फटाफट अपने balls ढूंढोगे. As well as you can include apple and oranges. Yes, food items are also objects. Okay, an earthen pitcher. So these are the different objects which is अवेलेबल इन आवर हाउस. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप बनाया है इन सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. इट हैज़ बिन गिवन ग्रुप, ओके, लाइक, एंड इसका मेन पर्पस क्या है, राउंड. ओके, राउंड शेप होना चाहिए. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को बेसिकली डिफ्रेंशिएट किया जाता है इन डिफरेंट टर्म्स लाइक शेप, कलर, साइज़, uses, materials. Okay, these are 5 things जिससे ऑब्जेक्ट को डिफ्रेंशिएट किया जाता है. ओके, अगर मैंने आपको अभी बोला है दैट यू हैव टू चूज़ और यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच इज़ ब्लू इन कलर. ओके, अभी मैंने आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए क्या बोला है कि आप लोग वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स ढूंढो विच इज़ ब्लू इन कलर. तो आप लोग फटाफट निकालोगे द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच इज़ ब्लू इन कलर लाइक दिस बुक. ओके, दिस इज़ बुक विच इज़ ब्लू इन कलर. ओके, ये ब्लू इन कलर है. तो आप ऐसी बुक सर्च करोगे और एनीथिंग लाइक योर शर्ट, योर जीन्स. Okay, these are blue in color. So these all are objects. I hope that you are getting it what I'm trying to say, that different type of objects has been differentiated in different terms. Like अगर मुझे आपको एक टास्क देना है, okay, that identify the objects which is हॉरिजॉन्टल इन शेप, ओके। आपको ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट ढूंढना है विच इज़ हॉरिजॉन्टल इन शेप। देन यू कैन टेक रबर, ओके, जो रबर होता है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं स्टेशनरी, ओके, रबर, वो आप लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं। देन यू कैन यूज़ स्केल, ओके, दे आर हॉरिजॉन्टल, okay, so you can use such type of objects to complete this task, okay. So I hope that you are getting it what I'm trying to say. Now in third paragraph, we were looking for objects that are edible. Now in this, okay, it has been given that we are looking for objects that are edible. Edible means वो object जो हम consume कर सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं, okay. We might include all the items that we have listed in table 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 in chapter.
Objects has been used. One is wheat flour, atta, okay, and second is water. So that is why it is known as object, okay. एक फूड आइटम को बनाने के लिए विच आर एडिबल, जो हम खा सकते हैं, कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, ओके, उसको डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मटीरियल्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं फॉर मेकिंग सच टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ओके. We might also find that some of those round shape object we just listed out are also in this group. Now हमने अभी सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में वी हैव नोटिस दैट यहाँ पे हमें क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है, दैट ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर राउंड इन शेप, यहाँ में हमने ये आइडेंटिफाई किया. एंड देन थर्ड पैराग्राफ में हमने कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स आइडेंटिफाई किए दैट आर एडिबल, ओके, जो हम कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. सो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को है डिफरेंट यू नो शेप, साइज, कलर, यूजेस, मटीरियल्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो है उसको ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया जा रहा है, ओके. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन दिस चैप्टर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर डिवाइडिंग इनटू ग्रुप्स, ओके, एज पर देयर शेप, साइज, कलर, uses and material. Now let us say we wish to make group of objects that are made of plastic. Now in this we are talking about materials, okay. यहाँ पे we are talking about shape. In this we are talking about uses, okay. Use means वो food item हम use कर रहे हैं for what? For consuming, okay. Now in this we are talking about material, okay. ये किस material से बना है? Then it is plastic. Now buckets, lunch box, toys, water container, pipes and many such objects may find a place in this group. Now these all are present in your house, okay. अभी right now आपके घर में ये सब के सब available होंगे, okay. So there are so many ways to group objects. See, main word group objects. इन सब का main purpose क्या है? What is the main purpose for this chapter? For making group, okay, of different type of objects as per their shape, size, color, uses and material. Now all objects around us are made of one more material. These material may be glass, metal, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, mud or soil. Can you think of more example of materials? Now all objects are all objects around us are made of one or more material. Now कोई भी object होता है, it is not necessary that only one material has been used for making such objects. There are different type of material is used for making objects like this example, that is pen, okay. इसको बनाने के लिए different materials used हुए हैं. Now you have to think different examples of material like clothes, okay, then book, then you can take example of fan, then mobile, okay, anything you can think, okay. These all are objects and in that object different type of material has been used.
So I hope that you have understood this introductory part of this chapter. So students, if you have any query, any question regarding this topic, this introduction part of this chapter 4, that is sorting material into groups, you can ask me in tomorrow's Zoom lecture. Okay, thank you.